Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to switch accounts on your Xbox Series X. This is really easy to do. You can see the account I'm signed into in the upper left side of the screen. So to switch the accounts, press the Xbox button, tab on over using R1 to your profile, and then go to add or switch right here, or you can sign out. Then you can see any additional profile on your Xbox Series X or S, and then you can select it. Otherwise, you can go on down to where it says add guest, and you can add a guest account. Otherwise, add an additional Xbox profile by going to add new, and then you have to type in the email address associated with the account and then also the password. Otherwise you can sign in using another device. Now to remove the account, we want to go back to the home screen here and then go to settings and then go to account and then go on over to where it says remove accounts right here, and then you can choose your account and you can remove it completely off your Xbox. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.